This is going over homework page 666. It's from lesson 10-4. 10-4. Page 666. We're on number 3. Let's see what we got here. First of all, what type of angle do we have? Hey, that right there, that is a inscribed angle. Notice the vertex is on the circle. That's called an inscribed angle when the vertex is on the circle. Hey, how does the angle correspond to the arc that it opens up? The whole lesson was about that the inscribed angle is half of the arc that it opens up to. Boom, there we go. What do we got? 42? Boom, done with that answer. There we go. That's what we're looking at. Inscribed angle. What do we got here? Number 4. Another inscribed angle. Notice right there, the vertex is on the circle. Here is the arc that it opens up to. We need to find that arc first of all. Well, how are you going to find that arc? What do all the arcs in a circle have to add up to? Yeah, 360. Well, let's see how much we already used. Here we go. We got a 70. We got 120. That's 190. Let's take it away from 360. 360 minus 190. We got a 0 there. We got a 16 there, 2 there. 16 minus 9, what's that, 7? Okay, good. There we go, 170. That right there is 170. Hey, the angle we're looking for right here. There it is. Oh, yeah. It's half of the arc. Here it is. Angle G is going to be 1/2 of 170. What's that, 85? There it is. 85 degrees. Boom, done with that one. Okay, number 5 are we going to? Yeah, there it is. Okay, here's the angle they want. Right there. Oh, yeah. It's an inscribed angle. There it is. Once again, it's half of the arc that it opens up to. Well, how do you find the arc on this one? The yellow arc. What kind of line segment is NL? It's the diameter. Oh, yeah. So, hey, half a circle is 180. Here we go. 180 minus 160. Oh, yeah, here it is. Boom. 20 degrees there. Inscribed angle, it's half of the arc. There it is. Angle N equals 10 degrees. Okay. What do we got here? Okay, this time, the opposite. They want us to figure out the arc. Well, you go, wait a second. Is this an inscribed angle? It sure is. That's absolutely. The vertex is on the circle. An inscribed angle is half of the arc that it opens up to. So 67, double it. Okay. 14, 1, 12, 134. That looks good. 134. Right there. That's the arc that it opens up to, Arc RS, 134 degrees, What's that, number 6? That looks good. Okay. Okay. They want us to find this arc. This is the arc they want. It's arc VU. That's the one they want. What arc do we find first? Yeah, we find this arc first. Okay, well, look at that. That's an inscribed angle. Hey, an inscribed angle is half of the arc that it opens up to. So, hey, that's got to be 60 degrees right there. How can we get the yellow one now? How can we get the yellow one? Like the last problem, what kind of line is that? That's the diameter. Oh, that's half a circle. Half a circle is 180. Here we go. 180 minus the 60, we're talking 120. Okay, 120. That's the one they want. VU. There it is, 120 degrees. Okay. We got another inscribed angle. There it is. Inscribed angle. Vertex is on the circle. What do they want? They want this one. This is the one they want. WX. Okay. Well, what are we going to do? First of all, find the arc that the angle opens up to. Inscribed angle. It's half of the arc that it opens up to. Double 75, what do you get? You get 150. Now, how do you find the yellow arc? Yeah, once again, all the arcs, they add up to 360. So let's see, how much did we already use? What did we use already? We used 150 and 110. That's going to be 260. Take it away from 360 because all the arcs in a circle, they got to add up to 360. 360 minus 260, I like it, 100. 100 degrees for WX. That's what they were looking for on that one. Problem 8. Okay. Okay, here we go. Find the value of their variables. Find X and Y. It's an inscribed quadrilateral. It's inside a circle and all four vertices touch the circle. So what do we know? Well, we learned in the lesson opposite angles. Opposite angles got to add up to 180. Those two have to add up to 180. These two have to add up to 180. Well, let's do the Y first here. Okay, here we go. 180 minus the 95. Okay, let's see what we got. That's going to be what, 85? 85, there it is. 85 degrees. Okay, good. Hey, how about the X one here, the green? Yeah, these two right here, they got to add up to 180. They're opposite angles in a quad that's inscribed in a circle. We proved that in the lesson, that opposite angles got to add up to 180. Let's do that. That's easy. 180 minus the 80. Yeah, there it is. 100 degrees for the X. 100 degrees. Boom, done. Okay, what do we got? Okay, same idea. Same idea here. It's a quadrilateral, and it's inscribed in a circle. So once again, hey, opposite angles. Okay, opposite angles. Those two got to add up to 180. And these two got to add up to 180. Let's do the pink ones first. Here it is. 60 plus 2K have to add up to 180. Oh my gosh, minus a 60, minus a 60. There it is. 2K equals 120. Divide by 2, divide by 2. K equals 60. Boom, done with that one. How about this one? Here it is in green. M plus 60 equals 180. Now that's easy. Minus a 60 here, minus a 60 here. M equals 120. Boom, that's what they wanted. They wanted the variables. Okay, here we go. Multiple choice. The topic is candy bar. Okay, candy bars. Okay, we got right here, what do we got? ADC is a central angle. Okay, that's this one right here. There it is. That's a central angle. Yep, that makes sense. It's at the center. ADC is 60 degrees. Okay, 60 degrees. Find angle ABC. This is the one they're looking for. Right there. Oh, that's an inscribed angle. Well, wait a second. Inscribed angle is half of the arc that it opens up to. Huh? There's the arc that it opens up to. Well, how do we find that yellow arc? What do you know about a central angle? A central angle is equal to the arc that it opens up to. There it is. Oh, now we got the arc. Now we can go and find the inscribed angle. Inscribed angle right here. Inscribed angle is half of the arc that it opens up to. If that's 60, this is 30 degrees. Boom, there it is. I'm going to go with Butterfinger. Okay, Butterfinger. Okay, a little bit of peanut butter in there in the candy bar. Okay, let's go to the last one. Are we doing? Yeah, we're doing good. Okay, last one. Here it is. Find the value of x. Oh, what do you know? Inscribed angle. That's an inscribed angle right there. Oh, an inscribed angle is half of the arc that it opens up to. Well, let's set it up. Here it is. Inscribed angle is 8x plus 10 is 1/2 of the arc that it opens up to. 12x plus 4. There it is. Inscribed angle is equal to 1/2 of the arc that it opens up to. How do we solve this thing for x? Let's distribute. Here we go. 8x plus 10 equals 6x plus 20. Wow, minus the 6x, minus the 6x. Let's get rid of the 10. Minus 10, minus 10. Okay, those cancel, those cancel. I got 2 x's equal, what is this, 10? Yep. Okay, divide by 2, divide by 2. X equals 5. There it is. Nice. What's the candy bar? Abba Zaba. A for Abba Zaba. Now, I'll tell you what. If you want to break your teeth, you buy an Abba Zaba bar. Okay? Yeah, you want to do something for the dentist and give them some money? Boom, get yourself an Abba Zaba bar. That's it. Answer A. And that's the end of going over homework 666. Have a good day in video land.